Now we're on part 20 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Now let's talk about the world of affiliate marketing. It's worth exploring the vast landscape of affiliate marketing platforms that exist in the market today. Among them, Commission Junction is arguably one of the most popular and successful affiliate marketing platforms available. As an affiliate platform, CJ offers a range of services to support businesses and marketers looking to drive traffic, generate leads, and increase sales through affiliate program. One of the key features of CJ is its freemium model, which allows users to try the platform for free initially, but eventually they need to upgrade to the paid version to continue using it. While the free trial period can be useful for getting a feel for the platform, it is essential to note that investing in a paid version may be necessary for those seeking more advanced tools and capabilities. There are many individuals who function as brokers in the realm of affiliate marketing. For instance, CJ acts as a bridge between merchants and publishers, enabling them to connect with each other. In order to establish a network, you need a platform like CJ to bring all the pieces together. Therefore, affiliate marketing is essentially about finding someone to collaborate with and utilizing a platform to facilitate the process. There are numerous affiliate marketing platforms available, and we will examine CJ and explore its features shortly. However, it is crucial to understand why these affiliate marketing tools are necessary. They assist in identifying potential partners such as affiliates, influencers, employees, and other advocates with whom you want to collaborate. If you're a merchant selling a product, you'll need assistance from someone who can help you market and sell it effectively. This is where an affiliate comes in. Someone with a reputable website, a strong online presence, and a significant amount of traffic that they can direct towards your product. An affiliate marketing platform can help you connect with such affiliates and facilitate the introduction process, making it easier for you to identify potential partners who can help promote your product. Affiliate marketing platforms like CJ serve the purpose of introducing and connecting merchants with affiliates. They act as a bridge between the two parties, allowing them to establish a relationship. Another advantage of using these platforms is the ability to enter into contracts with affiliates and monitor the traffic and conversions they generate. It is important to note that while CJ is one such platform, there are numerous others available in the market, and it's crucial to choose one that suits your specific needs. Additionally, it is important to establish clear terms and conditions with your affiliates regardless of the platform you use. As a merchant, you have the flexibility to set up custom terms and conditions with your affiliates, such as offering a 10% discount on all sales. Affiliate platforms like CJ can help you establish these programs' terms and facilitate the contract process. Additionally, you will need a platform to monitor the performance of your affiliates and track their contributions in terms of driving traffic and generating sales. These platforms provide you with the necessary tools to keep track of your affiliates' performance and ensure that they're contributing to your business growth. By collaborating with your affiliate, you can improve your website's search rankings. This is because your affiliate can advertise your product, increasing your visibility through various channels like paid search, organic search, and social media. There are several advantages to using affiliate marketing, and available tools can aid in boosting your website's rankings. An instance where tracking metrics is important in affiliate marketing is with earnings per click, or EPC. This metric is typically measured over a period of 7 days to 3 months on most platforms. Additionally, just like with Google search, it's possible to calculate the actual cost per click in affiliate marketing. To ensure accuracy and eliminate fraudulent clicks, impressions, and conversions, reliable affiliate platforms provide data on impressions, clicks, and conversions, and help manage any fraudulent activity. It's important to note that having a lot of impressions without any clicks can also pose a problem in affiliate marketing. Therefore, affiliate platforms provide various reports and tools to manage this aspect of the relationship with the affiliate. Another significant advantage of affiliate marketing is the ability to influence customers during their buying journey. This means that promotions can be set up based on various actions such as visiting the website, viewing the product, clicking on a product, adding the product to the shopping cart, or completing a purchase. In essence, there are several stages in the buying funnel, and affiliate marketing provides an opportunity to collaborate with publishers to influence customers throughout this process. Now, let's take a look at the login process. Similar to other digital marketing platforms, when you log into an affiliate marketing platform, you'll have to access your settings and other account-related information. The main purpose of any affiliate marketing tool is to manage your publishers, determining who should promote and sell your product. You would ideally want a relevant publisher who can sell your product to a targeted audience that's similar to your own. Therefore, it is essential to select a publisher who can effectively market your product and reach your intended audience. Let's say we want to log into CJ.com, and once we do, we'll pick up on the publisher's link. It's important to note that when you sign up publishers, you must have the program terms in place. By clicking on Publishers Program Terms, we can view the various program terms that we have set up for specific publishers. Clicking on a default program term will display the terms and conditions for that program. It's worth noting that you have the flexibility to set up your program terms for each publisher. As a best practice, if you have publishers who are performing well and selling your products effectively, you might want to offer them a more attractive commission rate or other benefits to incentivize their continued promotion of your product. This can create a tiered system where high-performing publishers receive better program terms compared to others who may not be as effective. By accessing the program terms, you can see the different levels and types of incentives offered to publishers. In essence, the program terms include the actions and policies needed to manage the publisher's payments. If the publisher meets these program terms and sells your product, CJ acts as a broker and initiates the payment according to the program terms. Therefore, it is crucial to set the program terms appropriately to ensure that payments are managed correctly. CJ provides templates for program terms that you can use and offer to various publishers. These program terms determine how your publishers will receive payment. You can create as many program terms as you need, and there is no limit to the number of terms. It's important to align and reward program terms based on performance. You can also see which publishers are associated with which program terms, and if a publisher is performing well, you can offer them better program terms to incentivize them further. The main purpose of program terms is to align publishers with a specific payment structure for selling your product. So when you sign up a publisher, they will be aligned with a program term that determines their payment for promoting and selling your product. If you prefer to manage your publishers by status instead of program terms, you can view all the organizations in your network. As the affiliate, you are selling the product and you need to keep track of which publishers are selling and which ones are not. You have the option to view all your publishers either by program terms or by status. Essentially, on CJ.com, you can view the status of your publishers and whether they are active or not, as well as their earning status over a certain period of time by selecting Manage by Status. When analyzing reports on CJ.com or other affiliate programs, you may come across the term EPC, which stands for Earnings Per Click. However, it's important to note that this figure is actually calculated based on earnings per 100 clicks, which can be a bit misleading. In other terms, CJ calculates the amount earned by your publishers per click. Just like with paid search, where we pay Google a certain amount per click, publishers cannot earn anything if they don't generate clicks. This is where the earnings per click metric comes in, allowing you to measure the performance of your publishers based on how much they earn per click. CJ calculates EPC over both a 7-day and 3-month period, enabling you to sort publishers based on their EPC over either time frame to determine who is earning the most per click. To manage your publishers more efficiently, CJ provides a feature called Publishers Groups. With this feature, you can group your publishers based on different criteria such as geographical location or performance. For example, if you have publishers from the United States and India, you can group them separately for better organization. Similarly, if you have publishers from different states in the US, you can group them accordingly. You can view and manage your different publisher groups by selecting Publishers Groups option. To optimize your affiliate marketing efforts, it's important to organize your publishers effectively. CJ allows you to group your publishers by different categories, such as location or performance. For example, if you have publishers in Canada, you can group them together in category called Canada. This allows you to easily identify and manage your publishers based on their location or other relevant criteria. As you grow your network of publishers, it's important to keep them organized to ensure that you are working with the best publishers for your business. The example I mentioned was based on geography, but you have the flexibility to group your publishers in any way you want. For instance, you could group them by their performance status, where their best performing publishers are grouped together and aligned with a specific program term. Additionally, you could group them by region or promotion. Basically, you have the ability to group your publishers based on any criteria that makes sense for your business. In short, the decision on how to group publishers is flexible and depends on personal preference. Nevertheless, Utilizing publisher groups is highly recommended since the ultimate goal is to expand the number of publishers in order to increase the possibility of product sales. It's important to keep in mind that without clicks on your product, there is no chance of selling it. Therefore, having publishers promoting your product increases your chances of selling it. Having a good number of publishers in your network is key to this success. Once you have publishers, you can group them according to what makes sense for your business. It is a strategic decision, but it is important to know that CJ provides options to group your publishers. And that ends a part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 21.